presented to you our arrests. There are three individuals who were arrested in a separate operation by the DAID and the SOU of the Eastern Police District, as well as the Pasig City Police Stations. Shown in front of you are the recovered evidences, more or less 8 kilos of high-grade shabu and firearms. This is a one-week surveillance initiated by the district for these drug pushers are operating at the eastern part of Manila. And right now, they are here to be presented to our Chief Philippine National Police and of course to our Regional Director of NCRPO.
Sir, we can announce the names of the arrested individuals.
The first one to be arrested by the Pasig City Police are the following: Socarno Bancel, Yankee Malaco, a residence of Upper Bigotan, Taguig City, and Mahater Malaco, a residence of Upper Bigotan also. And the other one, they are in possessions of at least more or less 1 kilo of shabu. And the other one is Saaduddin Badron, a native of Marawi City, in possession of more or less 7 kilos of high-grade shabu.
Thank you, sir. We will be giving you the copy of the press release later. We'll take in questions now. First question will be from Marie Zumali of GMA 7.
Palagi ko hindi pa ito yung malaki sa kanila. Palagi ko ito ay nasa, let's say, sa second level pa siguro ito. But eventually malalaman natin kasi kakaroon pa naman tayo ng masusing investigation doon sa operation itong nahuli natin yung hapon. Hindi pa, pero titignan natin mabuti kung ilan pa itong member nito natitira. And we will go after them to account everybody.
Ang importante dyan, Maris, na-neutralize yung supply. The people behind the supply, so far, yun nga, nakikita natin, tatlo pa yan sila nakuha. We don't think na sila na talaga yung pinaka-utak dyan. Asa mababang level pa rin ito, itong mga tao na ito. Mga players lang ito. So alam namin meron pang mas mataas dyan sa kanila. So importante, na-intercept itong supply.
Sir, just a follow-up. How can we say that the supply has already been neutralized? Ibig sabihin yan lang po yan. Alam mo, di ba nagagaling pa rin yan sa mas malaki pang source?
Hindi, this particular supply. Hindi naman buong supply na gumagala sa buong Metro Manila o buong Pilipinas, na-stop na natin. Itong this particular supply lang nakuha natin. Isipin mo kung ma-distribute yan, madaming makagamit nito.
Thank you, sir. Next question is from Aya Macalma of PTV4.
More or less na 1 kilo nga yun, it costs 2 to 2.5 million already. So kung more than 6 tsaka more than 1 yun, compute mo na lang yun ng 2 million. Eh di ang laki na nun per kilo. Violation ng ano yan, ng sections 5 and 11 ng Dangerous Drugs Act of the Philippines.
During the operation, ito lang nahuli namin. Pero we will conduct a further follow-up operation. Hopefully, na makukuha pa namin yung other members of the group. Yes, of course, they are willing to cooperate.
Thank you, Aya.
This is part of the Oplan double barrel of the Chief PNP. Kung pagmasdan nyo, yung sinasabi niya na double barrel, ito yung high value targets and yung barangay level. If you will notice, di ba, every time sinasabi nila na halos barangay level yung naneutralize. So unti-unti nakukuha na natin yung mga second level hanggang dun sa third level siguro until that such time we will go to the supplier, di ba? Ito yung sinasabi ng ating Chief PNP na double barrel, Oplan double barrel. Meron tayong high value targets, meron tayong barangay level. So ito yung mga high value targets natin na ginagawa. Just like we have explained earlier, pag high value targets, it entails intelligence build-up.